Welcome back. Child Rights Commission and heads of Rivanna School held a meeting to resolve much talked about HIV-infected students issue in Fatima High School. Member of the commission Samira Kazi said the students are not infected and will resolve the issue amicably. MLA Subhash Faldesai also attended the meet. However, the meet was inconclusive.
Few students are denied admission in Fatima High School in Rivanna by the parents of other students. They fear that some students are being HIV infected. On Thursday, the Child Rights Commission held a meeting with the heads of the school and MLA Subhash Faldesai. The members of commission feel they need to come to an amicable solution by taking agitated parents in confidence.
Conclusion is that we have to change the set of mind, of children, that these children should not be stigmatized. We have to see, we have to get the fear out of the villagers. There are prevention methods, where even the children are taught. And if the parents think that the children are at risk, that the expertise, the ones who have got the expertise, they will come and tell them the safeguards about it. So at this moment, we are looking out for a solution, okay, so that even these children who are neglected or they have the fear, and especially now there is a thing that these children are normal children, they are not even infected.
And we are going to use every possible method to allay the fears of the people in the village, right? At the same time, that they must realize that no child can be discriminated against. This is us.
Time for a middle path where solution comes for between both the parents and the management.
The meet was held in South Goa Educational Office in Margao. Reporter Savio Dice for Prudent.
Out of 29 spa and massage parlors in Calangute constituency, 19 are operating illegally. Remaining are either closed or not functioning. In Kandoli, 11 are operating without NOC from Directorate of Health Services, while 8 are illegally operating in Calangute. Joseph Sequeira, Calangute Punch, Oda Viegas and Datta Prasad Naik in our weekly debate opined that the menace can be controlled if Goans decide not to rent premises to such kind of establishments.
This is the list of spas and massage parlors submitted by Calangute Police Station to the local panchayat. There are 29 spa and massage parlors in Calangute constituency, out of which Kandolim has 14 spas and massage parlors. 11 are operating illegally. 3 are temporarily closed while 2 are shut down. Now in Calangute, it has 15 spas and parlors. 8 are functioning without license illegally. 6 are closed down. Recently, there has been a crackdown on sex trade and prostitution carried out under the garb of spa and massage parlors. Prudent held a debate on this issue. Panelists were of the common view that it is the Goan who spreads a red carpet for this type of business by allotting their premises without verifying the antecedents.
Calangute cases जशो जावपाक लागल्यो बघ शिफ्ट वो फोकस शिफ्ट जावपाक लागलो हळूहळू ताळगांवूय केसीस बूक जाल्यो
मसाज पार्लर रेड केलो न्ही पिम्प्स आसतांक धरपा जाय हांगा एजंट्स म्हणून आसतात ते मसाज करपा हाडटा ते लोकांक तांकां एक कट वता तांकां धरपा जाय मसाज पार्लर ओनर पळय आसा ज्यानी प्रेमिसीस लेट केल्या ताका धरपा जाय मसाज पार्लर चलयताक धरपा जाय
आतां हे टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर कोण ते आमी गोंयकार प्रमायसीस दिता आमी गोंयकार आमीच तरी स्टॉप करना आनी आमीच तरी आमच्याच नांवान बोबो मारता आमी बोबो मारता कोणाचेर बोबो मारता सो आमच्या गोंयकारांक तरी आमी स्टॉप करीत आयज जाल्यार हे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम रिजॉल्व जातले.
Bureau report Prudent.
If you have the potential for higher studies abroad, then here is a chance. Fomento scholars will be interviewing intellectuals in Panji on Sunday at Dempe Higher Secondary. Fomento provides a 4-year program for the undergraduates at the South Dakota School of Mines and Technology. South Dakota School is a national leader in preparing world-class engineers and scientists. The scholars envision bright future seeking studies at hand in the US.
So we got this opportunity to go to South Dakota School of Mines and Technology on a scholarship by Fomento scholars. And so I would like to go to the US to study because I think it will be much more practical learning than just in-room classes.
I'd like to study in the US because I believe the exposure I will receive there is much greater than what I would receive here. The people I meet, the way of teaching there, I believe, is a lot better than it is here.
The university is not the biggest university, but it is one of the top engineering universities in the US. They have one of the best placement records, and recently they beat Harvard in the starting salaries of the graduates. So I feel that it's the best place for me at the moment.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.